Here is how to play Ukulele in a Snowstorm by the Okee Brothers. Thank you so much for your overwhelmingly positive response to my video. I promise I'm not going to be taking this fine instrument out into the snow today. Chords and lyrics will be shown right here on the screen to make it easy to follow along. If you would like to get a printable version of this PDF, please check the links down below. Members of Ukulele Zen get access to bonus content. There's a massive library of jam tracks, bonus content, chord solo lessons. There's lots of goodies waiting for you as a member of Ukulele Zen. I hope you'll consider joining. My family and I are deeply grateful for you and your generous support. Before we play the entire song, I'd like to show you the chords and a couple of very cool embellishments that you can use on this song and many others. First thing I want to show you is this really cool jazzy vamp. There's two ways to play it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Blizzard blowing round, 5 feet on the ground. That's 4 beats for each chord. The first chord is D major. Bar at the 2nd fret, add your pinky, make sure your touch is light. As we play this, we count 4 beats for each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. You're going to hear that pattern a lot in this song, and at the end of the verses and the end of the link section, you'll hear this pattern, where the change happens just a little bit faster. It happens in the middle of the pattern. Here's how you play it. Down, down, up, down. Did you see how I lifted the pinky as I lifted my finger towards the sky? Down, down, up, down. Change on the up, down, 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 up, down, down. Now that we have that vamp under our fingers, we can start to practice the verse. Let's get it started. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Blizzard blowing around, 5 feet on the ground, but your strings transform cold into warm. When the weather makes me sad, ought to sing out that I'm glad I got a ukulele in a snowstorm. Did you hear how at the end of the verse I went to pattern 2, the quicker one? Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. The bridge section is a classic jazz chord progression. We're going to move from the F sharp 7, the 3rd of the key, to a B minor chord. Then we move to an E7 chord, and then it lands on the A7 chord, which turns us back around to D major. This is classic rhythm changes. You've heard it in a million jazz songs. Let's practice it together. 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. If I'm feeling wacky, if I'm feeling like a kook, I just pick you up, 'cause there's nothing like a uke to make me feel like I'm swaying. And then it moves on to the rest of the verse. One other little decoration you might like to add is the A7 chord. You know, you can add notes on the 2nd string. What I did was open, then I dropped my ring finger, 3rd fret of the 2nd string. I moved it down to the 2nd fret, and then open. That just makes a nice little boogie woogie kind of sound over your A7 chord. And finally, we get to the link. It's a different section. It starts on a G major chord, and then it changes to D, and then it'll go to A7, and then to D, to D7. Let's run through the link, and then we'll play the whole song together, starting on a G major chord. 1, a 2, a 1, 2. Well, palm trees are gently waving. My heart is aching because I love you. Moonlight shining so brightly, I travel nightly, lonesome and blue. Hear how I'm putting the vamp at the end? You can add that vamp to the end of any verse and also at the end of the link section. And I also added that little A7 trick. We are ready to play the whole tune. Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying this video so far, do me a huge favor and reach out, click that like button, leave a comment down below. Let me know what tunes you want to learn next. So glad you're here. Be sure to check the links down below to download song sheets and get access to all kinds of helpful bonus content from my heart and my practice to yours. Oh, and by the way, please sign my mailing list. There is a link in the description down below. You'll get a little gift when you sign up, and you'll be kept in the loop of my in-person events, including my ukulele Zen retreats, where we blend mindfulness practice and music practice into a wonderful experience. Hope to see you at an event sometime this year. All right, let's play the whole song together now. This introduction, we get to scat sing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Boom, 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 doo, boom, 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 zoom, boom, 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 boom. Blizzard blowing round, 5 feet on the ground, but your strings transform cold into warm. When the weather makes me sad, I ought to sing out that I'm glad I got a ukulele in a snowstorm. Wow, I'm singing to the shoreline, strumming that sunshine, 'cause your chords transport without even needing an airport. On a day that's cloudy, you can fly me right to Maui. That's a ukulele in a snowstorm. The bridge, if I'm feeling wacky, if I'm feeling like a kook, just pick you up, 'cause there's nothing like a uke to make me feel like I'm swaying. When the breeze where I'm laying, oh, the joy it brings. With just 4 strings, when the darkness makes me sad, I ought to sing out that I'm glad I got a ukulele in a snowstorm. Boom, 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 palm trees are gently waving. My heart is aching because I love you. Moonlight shining so brightly, I travel nightly, lonesome and blue. When the weather makes me sad, I ought to sing out that I'm glad I got a ukulele in a snowstorm. Yeah, it's a ukulele in a snowstorm. Let's take it out, little scatting. Boom, 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 boom. I think I whistled better in the 5-degree weather. Here we go. Thanks so much for watching. Please share this video with your friends. Have a great time sharing the joy of music with your loved ones today. There's another video right here for you to enjoy. Appreciate you being here. I'll see you in another video lesson sometime soon.